Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna describe how to apply an e-visa to travel to Montserrat. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply an e-visa or any kind of visa to any country, the very first thing you need to check, do you really need a visa? Because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, and even other combination of visas, you may or may not need it. And when you determine, you should always check the requirements as per the local embassy, website, consulate, or whichever official entity covers your region where you live, because they may have some different process. All right. For e-visas, the most important thing is like you can apply it online and everything is online. You can do it at your own convenience, and more countries are doing it. So in front of you, I have opened this Montserrat online visa application. Here, the very first thing we like is to determine that which nationalities need. So I click here. So they have a visa required list. If you are if you're from these countries, you need. Okay. For most of the countries, you don't need. Wow, that's good. Now, if you determine you need a visa, you come here, you click on apply for tourist visa. Purpose of visit, nationality is very important. This is just for a reference I'm giving, which country you live in. So if I leave this and I click on check, you need a visa. So this is just sample. Of course, I won't be applying it. And it's very simple. Here at the last, when you finish and you pay. Okay. So how it goes, personal information, your name details, matters your date of birth, country of birth, nationality, identity, digital copy of government issued as a passport, you can say, passport details, contact information, travel information, when you are gonna come, and then finish, submit it, and then pay. So that's how simple it is, guys. And I hope you're gonna like it. Let me know what you feel about it, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thank you.